the strangeness of the super-advanced European fighter jet appears again. Here are some possible reasons why the Gripen or other European fighter jets might appear unconventional or weird compared to other aircraft. 1. Design philosophy. European fighter jets, including the Gripen, often follow different design philosophies compared to their American or Russian counterparts. European nations tend to prioritize agility, versatility, and cost-effectiveness over sheer size and range, leading to more compact and agile designs. 2. Small size. The Gripen is a relatively small and compact fighter jet designed for operations from shorter runways and confined spaces. Its compact size contributes to its maneuverability and ease of maintenance. 3. Delta wing configuration. The Gripen features a delta wing configuration which contributes to its excellent low-speed handling and high maneuverability. The delta wing design is characteristic of several European fighter aircraft. 4. Canard design. Some European fighter jets, including the Gripen, feature canards, small forewing-like surfaces, ahead of the main wings. Canards provide additional lift and maneuvering capabilities, allowing the aircraft to perform well in a wide range of flight regimes. 5. Advanced avionics. The Gripen is known for its advanced avionics and sensor suite, which might result in unique design elements to accommodate these systems effectively. 6. Multi-role capability. European fighter jets like the Gripen are often designed to excel in multiple roles, such as air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. This versatility can influence the aircraft's overall design and appearance. 7. Stealth features. While not on the same level as some dedicated stealth aircraft, the Gripen and other European fighter jets may incorporate some low observable features to reduce radar cross-section. 8. Collaboration. Some European fighter jets are the result of multinational collaborations, where different countries contribute to the design and technologies. This collaboration might lead to a blend of various design elements. 9. Evolutionary design. The Gripen is part of a family of aircraft that has undergone continuous development and upgrades. The appearance of later variants might differ from earlier ones due to evolving technologies and requirements. It's worth noting that perceptions of aesthetics can vary widely, and what might appear weird to one person might be considered sleek and advanced by another. Ultimately, the design of fighter jets is a result of balancing various technological, operational, and cost considerations to create capable and effective military aircraft.
Military Combat News newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the UK and around the world. Be a loyal subscriber of Military Battle News and press the bell to be first on our news.